Philip Lustre Jr. ang boto kisa imong aman basig duha kay ngano na junior ka man apay Lustre. You're suffering from a mental impotence. You have to see a doctor. Tinuod lang. There's something wrong in your mind. You're mentally impotent. It is not really working. So, I'm about tempted to say na kung gusto mo talaga malaman, you can, no? Hiramin ko yung ano mo. I'm sure the following day she would tell you the truth. No, my throat is okay, including my tongue. I cannot just pronounce it here. Pahira mo sa akin. At I'm sure pag-uwi niya sa inyo, magsabi sa okay man pala. Nothing wrong with the throat. And with the tongue. And everything. Gusto mo, you can call me. Tell me when, and I pick her up. I said, I'm suffering from a Burgess disease. It is not a disease. It's a constriction of the blood vessels because of nicotine. Then I have a Barrett. It's a esophageal thing. Yan ang sakit ko. Ikaw siguro ang, I said, may diferensya. Ako nagpunta na ako ng doktor sa Cardinal Santos kasi dito sa Davao doctors. And you can check. Yung iyo ang mahirap kasi nasa loob. You cannot have an erected mind. I'm sorry. Even if it's true that I have. Wala naman disqualification. Kaya sabi ko, you have an impotent mind. Only yung hindi ka Filipino, you're not of age, then you have to work with the residence requirement. Cancer has nothing to do with the presidency. If I can be president for two days, 3 years, fine. There's always the vice president. Wala mang problema kung ma-presidente ka. So I said, you do not know how to think dimensionally. There is something wrong in your mind. It does not know how to erect something there inside. But the impotence.